Okay, we're going to do example 8a first. You can pause to read it if you need to, but it's a 5-foot person walking away from a 20-foot light source. This is my third time trying it. So we've got our light source. It's 20 feet tall. I'm going to call it L for now. I'm going to say L is 20. And as we're going along, there's this 5-foot tall person just standing here, except they're walking that way, right? Continue the light. Oh, terrible shadow. It's okay. Pretend this is a straight line. I'm going to call this segment A. I'm going to call this segment B because they are separated by his walking. And let's see, he's 5 feet tall. I'm going to say person is 5 feet tall. So if I look at all my variables that I have A, I have B, I have L, and I have P. Now L is 20 and P is 5. And dl dt is not changing. It's 0. The light source is a fixed 20. Similarly, the person is a fixed 5. Now, you don't actually need to include these. I just want to show you that that does go into our thinking. Let's see. Next, we have A and B, so we need dA dt and dB dt. Let's see. And the moment that we care about, A is 12. And that's, oh wait, no, and dA dt is 4 feet per second. So I know that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use similar triangles to relate A and B. I know that if we look at our small triangle here, B over 5 has to be equal to this long side over 20. So what's our long side? I want to say A, but our issue is it's this whole thing. So it'd be A plus B. So we can do algebra then to basically, I know I want to find out what dB dt is. This is like my thing that I want. So if I take this equation, I get B all the way by itself, then take the derivative, I'll be able to hopefully just plug things in and figure out what dB dt is. So I'm going to cross multiply. I got 20b is equal to 5a plus 5b. And then again, I want to get b all the way by itself. So I got 15b is equal to 5a. Divide by 15, divide by 15. So b is going to be equal to 1/3 a, or you could say a over 3. Since we know a is 12, why am I saying this? Since we know a is 12, we could find b right now, but I'm getting ahead of myself. We want dB dt. We don't want b. So let me take the derivative. If I take the derivative, I get dB dt is equal to 1/3 dA dt, which is awesome, because dA dt is just 4. So dB dt is equal to 1/3 times 4, which is 4/3 feet per second. That's part A. Part B, hold on.